Hello everyone, this is Melissa. Thank you for joining me today. I have joined the Beebeecraft YouTube program and this is my very first unboxing. I ordered these gold pendants, some appliques, and book corners. I will show you the book corners first. That's the most easy. There is the number. There are 150 pieces in this, so you get quite a few book corners. They are an antique brass color. It is a simple and beautiful design, and on the back I noticed there is a small nub to hold on to the book corners a little bit easier. So that will be fun. Creating some journal covers and adding those book corners to that. Alright, that's the first one. And again, I'll show you. I will have these listed below. There it is. Okay. The next one is the appliques. Now, I wanted to try these because I'm going to be doing a slow stitching project for one of my journals, and I will be dyeing these to the color that I need them to be. This one is very large. Make sure I have that on. There we go. Beautiful flowers. There are 10 different items, 10 different pieces. Oh, here's a butterfly. And that one's lovely. It will be fun to work with these and try my hand at a bit of slow stitching. I've done hand quilting before, which if anybody's quilted knows that is extremely time consuming. So the slow stitching is going to be a little bit smaller than a quilt. All right. That was all 10 pieces. And the next, this one is going to be the funnest. Let's focus on that, and there's the number. Again, I'll have it listed down below, exactly what it is. There are 20 pieces here. There's 5 of each. That one's similar. So I'll scan through these real quick and then pull out all 5. Okay. This one with the star. This one is a dolphin. So I'll be using embossing powder. I have a large bead embossing powder, and I will be adding little bits of beads and other elements. And I'm going to be creating these for a journal project I'm doing for Studio 28E. And I'm doing the Adventurous Sea. So this should be really fun. Alright, so if you have 100 or more subscribers, you can join the YouTube program for Beebeecraft. All you do is go to their webpage, and down on the bottom click on the YouTube program and go from there. I hope everyone has a great day, and I look forward to doing the tutorials for these, so keep your eyes open for the next video. Thank you so much for visiting, and have a great day.